Ha kajingelam Reverend Padar Daniel DM Kaji Principal ringkat kajingesnok di jong kinohikai bagi Samla puli. Ke Don Bosco College Byndihati kala pelong ya ke Second Annual Cultural Festival ha ke live way terik Orissa. U Dr. Sanki Shangpung MDC ke Batau Lakadong ulalong ukongsan bat uba saljong ar marak MCS DPO East Jante Hills ulalong ukongsan senrop. Lepli kini ke lumpung daki kentin pediang ngobha ya baro ke belepoi kini ke lumpung lekmen da Reverend Padar Daniel Kaji Principal kini ke college. La ai kerteng ye kini ke lumpung shot bat ruai tenrai bridging cultures as digital natives and global citizens. Lingba kini ke lumpung shot bat ruai ke Don Bosco College Byndihati kalau kedup lang ye ke dustur kiriti jong ki babon ki jat benriu ritpat ki basyang basa bat ki ba im ha kini ke than jong kari India labun-bun hajar bat spas nem haduk kini kisngi. Ki Samla jong kini ke college ki lepen i lagi sap ki pong ha kerwai ke siau ka shat ke kemen ki buit bat ki sap shet jingbam tenrai ki riam ki bed bat bon ki we ki sap bekidan. Ke auditorium jong ke college ha kini ke sengi ke lepo de ki rong bat ki riam baharukom ne ki nong shat bat ki pat ba ki belawan ban saki kemen ya ki program ha kini ke sengi. Kedukan de jingbam tenrai halagi jong ki rukom kle bat rukom shet ki lepen jaudot iki miang shentur bat ki pedot tang ye ki Samla henri wat ye ki long kemi ki long pa kini ke sengi. Ki Samla jong ni ke college ki lase ye ki har pa ki har ki rukom shat rukom ruai bat keput ketem ki bala penyap be ye ki pat ba kini ke sengi. Lepelat pat ba ye ke thup poetry glimpses poetic musing bala tho ki Samla puli jong ni ke college do kongsan ha kini ke sengi. Ha kaporno sengi kokong Violet Lingdo MDC na kli riat rembai kalalong kokongsan bansa mi ki busket shikinong job ha ka jingpin inam ya lagi sap ki pong bat ikinong shet batrim ki bala pinmi madan ye ki jingbam babang tam ki bala kring bungut kinong kwa mat jingbam hadu banda trut ye ki try kiu ha kini ke sengi. Kini ke annual cultural festival kala kutno bat kala bu ke jingpang nut ki babon ki Samla ki berang terang ban lek men haban dahun jerut. Nang yai up saha ke third annual cultural fest house nem arjar arpunrio.
The significance of today's program is to keep ourselves reminded that culture is the soul of our nation and the heart of our college life. It teaches us empathy, respect, sense of belonging and tolerance. Through the various performances we are about to witness today, the music, the dances, the drama, our students are not just entertaining all of us, but they are engaging in a very crucial dialogue between the past and the future. My sincere gratitude goes to the tireless organizing committee, the dedicated teachers, and especially to our talented students.
give meaning to who we are. It teaches us respect, unity, and compassion. Through this fest, you are not only celebrating your talents, but also promoting understanding among people from diverse backgrounds. I commend Don Bosco College for its effort in nurturing students who are academically strong, culturally aware, and socially responsible. Your college stands as a beacon of education and growth in our region. So I would like to take this moment to appreciate the students, faculty members, and the organizers who have worked tirelessly to make this event possible. Your dedication and teamwork truly embody the spirit of Don Bosco, nurturing both the mind and the heart. For the students, continue to take pride in your heritage. Embrace change with wisdom and use technology to spread positivity and cultural harmony. Thank you so much once again. I would